If your HyperX Cloud 2 microphone isn't being recognized, you're definitely not alone. This has become an increasingly common problem in 2025, particularly affecting users who have updated to newer versions of Windows 11. To understand why this happens, you need to know that the HyperX Cloud 2 uses a dual component system. You have the analog headset with the physical headphones and microphone, plus a separate USB sound card that handles the virtual 7.1 surround sound processing. The microphone recognition problems typically stem from three main causes. First, the USB sound card component may fail to properly initialize the microphone during startup. Second, you might have driver conflicts, where Windows generic audio drivers interfere with the HyperX specific drivers that your headset needs to function properly. Third, Windows power management settings, particularly USB selective suspend, can interfere with proper device recognition and cause the microphone to stop working unexpectedly. Understanding these root causes helps you know where to look for solutions. You'll primarily be working in Windows sound settings to check device recognition and in Device Manager to handle driver issues and power management settings. The first step to fix your HyperX Cloud 2 microphone is checking your USB connection. Many microphone issues stem from using the wrong type of USB port or connection method. Try different USB ports on your computer, but focus specifically on USB 2.0 ports. These older ports often provide more stable power delivery for audio devices than newer USB 3.0 ports. Always connect directly to your motherboard's USB ports. Avoid USB hubs, extension cables, or front panel connectors, as these can cause power and signal issues. Next, try the power cycling method. This simple technique can resolve many USB device recognition issues. Unplug your HyperX Cloud 2 headset from the USB port and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the USB controller to fully reset and clear any cached device information. After 30 seconds, reconnect the headset while your computer is running. This ensures proper device enumeration and can resolve many recognition issues. If USB port changes don't work, the issue is likely with your drivers. Let's fix the driver problem step by step. First, you need to completely uninstall all existing HyperX and generic USB audio drivers from your system. This clears any conflicting or corrupted driver files. Next, download the latest HyperX Ngenuity software, version 1.5.2 as of 2025. This is HyperX's official driver and configuration software. If you're using Windows 11, you'll need to install Ngenuity in Windows 10 compatibility mode to ensure proper functionality. Right-click on the Ngenuity installer, select Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box to run in compatibility mode for Windows 10. After installation, restart your computer and let Windows automatically detect your headset. If the microphone still isn't recognized, you can manually update the driver. Open Device Manager, find your HyperX headset under Audio Devices, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers to manually install the correct driver. These USB port and driver fixes resolve the majority of HyperX Cloud 2 microphone recognition issues. Try these solutions in order for the best chance of success.